How I feel when I am working with green wood, it's something that woodworkers will tell you. It is the feel of a blade as it helps slice the fiber of the wood off as you are making your creation. It is the beauty in the grain of the wood. It is the beauty of the wood even in its raw state. There is something there that is always drawing me back. It is my form of relaxation. Today what I'll actually be doing is hosting a small demonstration on spoon carving and bowl carving, wooden treenware. I have at times the need of special tools. Since I could not acquire them, picked up forging, started making my own tools. I built my lathe, started forging my chisels so I could attempt to do just what they did. I try to copy them as 110% as I can, but I also look at the fact that that was that person's design that was doing this. This is Bill's design of doing this. Hopefully I'll leave pieces behind that my grandchildren will be able to say, you know what, I remember when my papa built that. I've built pieces for governors' kids and repaired historical pieces with modern conservation aspects. But the greatest joy was being able to turn over a dry sink, an enclosed dry sink, to a young lady that I fell in love with over 33 years ago and ended up marrying, to offer something that you built out of a love of your own heart for them, and to see that smile that it puts on their face. That's a smile that money cannot put there. It's a sign of being truly happy, truly enjoying it. And that's what I find the most rewarding about my craft, about my skills.